I'm Dr. Maria Sanchez. I own this clinic, and I'm the first to arrive today. And the building is intact, which is good, but there is some damage. There's some roof damage. It seems like the computers are completely down. The phones are in and out. So we'll have some issues there, especially if we get some of our regular patients in. And I don't know who's going to come in. My car was damaged in the storm last night. I'm sure other people are in similar situations, and the devastation out there it's pretty bad. We might get some wound patients coming in, people that are have some issues that need to be dealt with immediately, maybe some emotional issues. My PA Robert was an EMT, and he's really good at those things, but I don't know if we're actually going to get any of that. And Marge is our office manager, and she's got this place going on tip-top shape usually, and I hope she comes in because we're going to need her to manage the patients coming in, whether they're the regulars that are on the schedule for today anyway, or anybody that's new. The phones, if we can't get those back up, Jim is our IT guy, and he's really good with that stuff, and he's a recovering addict, and he might be out trying to find treatment. So I really do hope he comes in. He could really help us with getting the computers back up and running, and the phone system to be up on a regular basis. That would really help ease some of the stress today. My daughter is safe, thankfully. She's in good hands, but this is new for her too, and she's never been through a tornado, and the destruction is emotionally crippling, I think, for anybody, especially for a child. So I'm going to need to check in on her on a regular basis today, make sure she's okay, and just try to keep everything together. I never sleep 8 hours a day anyway, and I got very few hours of Z's last night, so I'm tired more so than usual, and there's going to be a lot of things going on today, a lot of work, a lot of new things, and I love my job. I really dedicate myself to helping those people that come in here. It gives my life meaning. And so seeing these new cases that we could possibly have today, that might be a stressful situation, but I think it'll add to my profession and to myself as a doctor. I think I'm going to enjoy seeing some of those wound patients that come in. There's a lot to be done, and then there's Jason, who I'm going to need to babysit today. That's going to add some stress. He's going to need me to make sure I'm on top of him and his situation, and all the help that he needs usually, which will probably be magnified today. It's going to be an interesting day.